Gingerbread men, gingerbread houses. Been there, done that. I am making a brand new classic, a decadent dessert, sticky toffee pudding with gingerbread. My dates, they're normally soaked in hot water, but I soaked them in a strong Irish stout. I'm combining everything first in here because I want them to get really evenly distributed in the batter. Ooh, that smells decadent. Most people don't realize it's actually the dates that give sticky toffee pudding its stickiness. But this isn't all dates and beer. I've got the usual suspects. Lots of butter. And definitely brown sugar instead of white. It's got a deeper, warmer, more caramel-like flavor. Rich, earthy molasses. This is such a beautiful flavor. This I would spread on toast. There's nothing like fresh, fiery ginger. Well, this is a soup, and I need a pudding, so it's time for some dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. But here's the magic. I'm doubling up on the ginger, warm cinnamon, really earthy nutmeg, and then those Christmassy cloves. And these spices just go so nicely with that brown sugar and the earthy molasses. For a long time, I used to make a different dessert every Christmas. But the year that I made this gingerbread sticky toffee pudding, I had to make it every year after. While that bakes, it's gonna start to smell a lot like Christmas in here. For me, sticky toffee pudding is all about the toffee sauce. Whenever I make this dessert, I have to make twice as much sauce, because for some reason it just disappears. This is almost done, but not quite, because I need to smother it in toffee sauce. And I make holes so it gets deep down in there. Let's do this. This needs to go back in for a little bit so that can truly soak in. This is cooled, which means it's time for my favorite part. Oh, the smell of those warm winter spices is so tempting. Just a little garnish. Yep, I'm tripling the ginger. This one's candied. And when something's really sweet and sticky, I love a little flaked salt. This reminds me of home. Cozy winter days and long dinners and sticky, sweet, comforting desserts. Eating this reminds me what I really want for Christmas. More toffee sauce.